How to remove a Google account from your Android device. This tutorial shows you how to sign out and delete a Google account from your phone. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup to open the Accounts section. From there, tap on Manage Accounts to see all the accounts currently added to your device. At this point, find your Google account from the list and tap on it to open the account details. In the next step, tap on Remove Account at the bottom of the screen. Following this, a warning will appear, letting you know that removing the account will delete all associated data from the device. Read through it so you know what to expect. Once done, tap on Remove Account again to confirm, and your Google account will be removed from the device immediately. Finally, keep in mind that this only removes the account from your phone and doesn't delete your Google account permanently. You can always add it back anytime by going back to Manage Accounts and tapping Add Account. And that's it. If this guide helped you remove your Google account from your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.